Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to cook one of my favourites in the air fryer, and that is croissants. You can cook your favourite croissants from frozen in the air fryer, and the same goes for any similar sized pastries from frozen. And these ones were used, I've picked them up from Iceland the other day. You can buy them from frozen and they fit perfectly in the air fryer. Out your air fryer baskets. And if you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time we post a new video. And then, depends which air fryer you're using to how many you can fit in at once. I mean, I've got 4 there, and this is a bag of 6, and I reckon I can get all 6 in at once. Yep, there you go. All 6 sat there in the air fryer. And then place the croissants in the air fryer. And we're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. And if you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time we post a new video. And we've beeped. Shall we check on those croissants? And wow, they are absolutely amazing. And just like how the croissants look when you buy them in a cafe with the cheese and the ham in. And then of course you can decide exactly what you're going to do with your croissants. And of course, they just look so lovely and golden. And these are all butter croissants, but you could use any. And if yours are lacking colour at this point, what I recommend you do is next time you air fry them, 2 minutes before they're done, add on top a little bit of egg wash from 1 egg that's been beaten with a pastry brush. And then of course you can store them in the fridge for 2 or 3 days, depending on how long they last in your house. And if you head over to RecipeThis.com, search croissants, you can find this full recipe with time and temps and step-by-step photos. And don't forget to order yourself a copy of the complete air fryer cookbook, available now on Amazon and a lot of popular retailers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /RecipeThis.